Hello, my name is Cooper.
Speak up.
I'm in 8th grade. I'm 13 years old.
Hi, my name is Adarsh, and I'm 12 in 6th grade.
Hello, my name is Daniel. I'm 12 years old.
Overall, what I've learned in AlligatorZone is what is entrepreneur? What's an entrepreneur? And how do I put that in real life?
I learned in the entrepreneurship camp, I learned about opportunity, timing, discovering, and also I learned about how to gain traction for companies and the basic of entrepreneurship.
In these four weeks of AlligatorZone, I learned about the basics of being an entrepreneur, how to market things, how to come up with your idea, how to gain traction for your idea, and ultimately how to make a business. I liked that it wasn't so much that it's mind-boggling and crazy, but it was enough that I actually learned a lot from that.
I think it inspired me to create something like that I think of, because now I also, like, when I go to places, I think of products as in a new way, not just thinking I'm gonna buy it, but being a smart consumer.
What I think I'm going to do with this program is be able to further on expand what I know about business, and hopefully when I'm older create my own business. What I enjoyed most was being able to talk and discuss about everything, about world problems and how we can fix things.
I enjoyed the activity in the beginning.
Most fun things were learning about the different businesses and interviewing some of the entrepreneurs and the AlligatorZone ambassadors. It was really fun.